In the beginning was the Word. The Word with God was God Himself. The universe is founding still. The cause of all, the Word alone. Through Him all things have come to be. Creation's wonder, mystery. In Him all life, a light for man. A beacon bright, God's master plan. Word of God, now Word made man. Apex of God's saving plan. Grace and glory, life's true way. Come to earth with us to stay. In the darkness the Word shone bright, a two-edged sword that pierced the night. Sin deep in shadows turned its face, but those who welcomed it found grace. Through Him all things have come to be. Creation's wonder, mystery. In Him all life, a light for man. A beacon bright, God's master plan. Word of God, now Word made man. Apex of God's saving plan. Grace and glory, life's true way. Come to earth with us to stay. We have seen with our own eyes the one before all beloved Son. Grace upon grace is what we heard. We've touched and been touched by God's own word. Word of God, now Word made man. Apex of God's saving plan. Grace and glory, life's true way. Come to earth with us to stay. Word of God, now Word made man. Apex of God's saving plan. Grace and glory, life's true way. Come to earth with us to stay.